Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put dt go to the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of dp, we have p. The integration of e to the power of 0.05t, we have the formula in here. So we can apply this one for this one. And now we simplify. And we have 400. Now we have the conditions. So we put number 0 gone here, number 20 gone here to find the value of c. So this one we have number 1. And now we have c equals to number 20 minus 400. And this one we have negative 380. And now we put this one go back in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.